Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and today I wanted to talk about this beautiful Barbie that I have here. So for anyone who likes to collect different Barbies, if they're still inside their case, this is one that I have in my collection and I absolutely love it. It is the 2014 holiday Barbie. So this was the year that my daughter was born and I wanted something that had to do with the year. So this is something that I added to my Barbie collection. It's still in the box and I absolutely love her red dress. If you look on the detail, the thing I like about the Barbies from the older generations is just how beautiful and detailed they are. They still have the heavy duty plastic look, which I really like. She has one bent arm and one straight arm, and she has a gorgeous red manicure that goes with her beautiful red ball gown. The detail on her amazing golden necklace, from all the way to her makeup and her hair. This ball gown is so pretty. I absolutely love it. If you look at the detail on it, all the shimmer and the gold to it, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy to have this in my collection. I like the fact that the box matches her. I like the fact that you can see her on display inside of it, and it's a beautiful, colorful addition to my collection, but that's just my point of view.